Hi guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless to your PS5. So guys, the best way, plug the headset with your USB cable. This is the first option guys, our wireless, and go ahead, and that's your PlayStation 5, and this give you so much better connection than your Bluetooth. We need to next select the output guys, head device, USB headset, and your Arctis Nova wireless. And after that, on your PlayStation setting, you can shortcut as well, and you can hear your sound setting and choose your output device and output device guys, as you can see here. And you can make sure that set to Arctis Nova wireless. Okay, and then what you can do, come here guys and choose select output device, headset HDMI. After that guys, make sure select what you can do, adjust the audio or voice chat audio, and from the setting you can even determine what you kind of voice you need, headset for example chat voice, and come to headset from input and audio setting, and more than you can select the voice chat as I say, and come your headset you want audio, you can select setting automatically from here guys, automatically headset switching when you plug it, when you can toggle off on or off. And guys, you can adjust setting headset microphone such as a boosting level. You can adjust your microphone here without any changes, make on option. And after that guys, go to you can from here enable the 3D audio on the PlayStation, and you can sound gender setting. You will see a view option below 3D. From here 3D adjust profile, and you can toggle 3D audio on or off as you can see here. After that guys, adjust audio 3D audio profile and doing for this time, and it is few step, ask you your preference, just make pick up a 3D audio over stereo. Okay, and preference, listen, you will decide that the Nova headset features 316 degrees audio, you support 3D audio. From here guys, you can set up this 3D audio and go ahead set up. You can of course adjust audio balance or your PS5, just adjust the game chat audio, and you can balancing your audio balance from here. You can increase the volume of the sound. After that, access 100 plug AI key, define your audio guys, sound setting on the game PS5, and menu Steelseries Arctis Nova company app. So guys, this is how you can do from audio balance, you can variety of this audio. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you, then don't forget give like and share this video for more content.